MegaSystems Security has over 20 years of expertise offering comprehensive security solutions in Houston, including high-performance cameras and remote monitoring services. Businesses in Houston can benefit from MegaSystems Security's customizable access control systems, ensuring authorization, authentication, and thorough audit capabilities. MegaSystems Security provides reliable alarm systems and monitoring to ensure peace of mind for both upgrading existing systems and implementing new security measures. Enhance communication clarity for your home or business with advanced intercom systems professionally installed by MegaSystems Security in Houston. Save time and cost on security solutions with MegaSystems Security's comprehensive service that includes structured cabling in Houston.